This conversation covers various aspects of daily life, such as discussing school topics, asking and answering questions, and offering support. It can help learners practice vocabulary related to education, science, and family interactions.
Hey, Colin, how was school today? It was good. Dad, we had a science quiz, and I think I did well. That's great. What was the quiz about? It was about the solar system. We had to name the planets and explain their order from the sun. Sounds interesting. Do you remember the order? Yes, it's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Excellent. Did you learn anything new today? Yes, we learned about the phases of the moon. I didn't know that the moon doesn't actually change shape. That's right, it just appears to change because of how the sunlight hits it. Did you ask any questions in class? I asked the teacher why we only see one side of the moon. She said it's because the moon rotates at the same speed as it orbits Earth. That's a good question. I'm glad you're curious. What about your other subjects? How are they going? Math is a bit tough. We're doing fractions, and I'm struggling with it. Fractions can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get better. Let's sit down after dinner, and I'll help you with your homework. Thanks, Dad. That would be great. No problem. Remember, if you don't understand something, it's okay to ask for help. I will. Thanks for always helping me. Anytime, son. I'm proud of how hard you're working. Keep it up. Thanks, Dad. I'll do my best.